See, everyone knows someone that always has an excuse. There's always a reason as to why they're not doing this or they're not doing that. They claim they want to do it, but it's always that one reason. What's going on, people? Thank you very much for your support. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos. That's what we're talking about here today. Excuses. People claim they want to do this. Everyone says they want to do this, they want to achieve this, they want to do this, and they want to do that. But so many people always have excuses as to why they're not doing it. Right? That's what we're talking about. I'm of the mindset that, bro, if you want to do something and you really want to do it, then there can't be no excuses. You need to be able to wake up in the morning and do what needs to be done. You need to find a way to do what needs to be done. Right? Now, I'm not saying go and rob a bank. No, I'm not saying none of that. I'm basically saying if you want to say you want to work and you want to basically go and you want to get out of your current state where you're not working at XYZ and you want to get a job. People come up with all types of excuses. Do you know what? I've got kids. Or do you know what? There's no jobs around here. Or there's no this and there's that, and I can't do it. You need to figure out how to do this. You need to stop coming up with excuses every single day. Every other day there's another excuse. Up until you stop that, you're not going to achieve anything whatsoever. There's no ifs, buts, maybes. You need to have it in you to basically do what needs to be done. Right? Me personally, I think people are just scared. Right? And because you're scared, you don't want to admit to yourself that you're scared. Right? Because you don't want to admit to yourself that you're scared, you always find some kind of excuse that makes sense to you. Right? But deep down, you know, there's people doing exactly what you're saying you want to do with the same exact situation or same exact circumstances that you're in, but you are scared to do it, so you come up with an excuse as to why you're not doing it, to justify it for you. But that doesn't help you. Do you know what I mean? You're justifying why you're not doing what you want to do. What kind of life? At that point, what are we doing? Do you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't even make any logical sense. Right? So if you want to do something, you need to get up and you need to figure out how to do it. You need to get rid of the excuses. You need to stop lying to yourself. I mean, I think it's easy to just say, look, I want to do it, but I'm scared. Finish. You know what I mean? As opposed to lying to yourself and coming up with something new, another reason every single day as to why you're not doing X, Y, Z. Every single day you're coming up with a new why you're not doing X, Y, Z, but really deep down, the only reason you're not doing it is because you're scared. And up until you solve that particular problem, that issue of you being scared, you can't move on.